Hello children, in this module we are going to talk about the subtropical region, that is the Ganga Brahmaputra basin. India has one of the most extensive, flat and fertile plains in the world. These plains lie to the south of the Himalayas. They extend from the Satluj river in the west to the Brahmaputra river in the east. Children, this Ganga Brahmaputra basin includes the plains of the Ganga and the Brahmaputra rivers, the Himalayas, and the Sundarban Delta. The Ganga Brahmaputra basin is made up of alluvium brought by the Ganga and the Brahmaputra rivers and their numerous tributaries. Children, you know that the Ganga originates from the Gangotri glacier in the Himalayas. The Bhagirathi and Alaknanda rivers join to form the Ganga. You can say they are the head streams of the Ganga. The Ganga enters the plain at Haridwar. The Ganga basin stretches from Delhi to Kolkata. It includes parts of Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Bihar, West Bengal, Rajasthan, and Madhya Pradesh. Children, if we talk about Brahmaputra, then this Brahmaputra basin lies in the northeastern part of India. The Brahmaputra river rises from the Chemangyongdung glacier near Lake Mansarovar in Tibet. It is called Sangpo in Tibet. The river enters India through Arunachal Pradesh. Now this Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers join together before draining into the Bay of Bengal. Now together these rivers form the largest and perhaps the most fertile delta in the world, the Sundarbans. A major part of this delta is now in Bangladesh. Now children, let's see the climatic conditions of this Ganga Brahmaputra basin. Children, the Ganga Brahmaputra basin experiences tropical monsoon type of climate. Now this type of climate is characterized by hot summers, wet monsoons and cold winters. Most of the rainfall takes place during the monsoon season. There is great seasonal variability in the total amount of rainfall and its real distribution in the basin. And so we find some areas in the basin suffer from severe drought in the dry months while floods during the monsoon season. Children, the amount of rainfall decreases from east to west. The coastal areas and mountains experience a pleasant climate, but the interiors experience an extreme climate.